and welcome back to my channel. I am super happy today because I'm going to be baking something. So last year I did some recipes, easy bakes, like put everything in a bowl, don't even need a mixer kind of bakes. So I thought I'll do one of those first ones for this year, which is like a marble loaf cake with a little bit of chocolate and a little bit of almond. Super easy and super delicious. So starting here with 100 grams of self-raising flour, and to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve it through. Obviously most of the times I don't sieve. I have no idea why I'm doing this today. And then I'm going to add 50 grams of ground almonds or almond flour to this, and also 150 grams of caster sugar. If you want to skip almond flour, then you can just add same amount of self-raising flour. Also going to add 150 grams of butter and 3 large eggs, and all that's left to do is whisk it for 2 minutes. Line loaf tin. I always grease and line a loaf tin. I always use my same 2-pound loaf tin that I've had for many years. You can skip the lining, but I just feel that putting a little piece of greaseproof paper with the little bits hanging over just makes it so much easier to get the cake out when it's done. So I would highly recommend doing that. Now you can see the change in the color of the lovely cake mix. I have got here 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and to this I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of water to make a nice chocolatey paste. If you think it's too thick, like I think it's too thick, I'm adding 1 more tablespoon. Don't make it watery. It should be like a paste really. Next, I'm going to add half the cake mix to the chocolate mix, cocoa powder mix, and just mix it up really well. I have not measured it. If you want to go really crazy, then you can measure it. I will not waste my time on that. So half the mixture is plain white and half is chocolate. And all that's left to do is alternate putting the mix into the prepared loaf tin. And you can be very particular and make sure that you put it in the center. That's how you'll get a zebra design. But you know me, if you've been following the channel, that I'm just going with the flow. I want a nice pattern, but I just want to not go crazy about how I'm doing it. So don't play too much with it once it's all in. You can finish this with sprinkling some almonds, flaked almonds on top, and also make a really nice ganache on the side to pour when the cake is nicely baked and ready. And this lovely chocolate ganache is 200 ml of double cream and 150 grams of dark chocolate. The cake is now done. I baked it at 180 C or 160 fan, and I baked this for 45 to 50 minutes. Always check before you get that out. It's still really nice and warm, and it looks absolutely beautiful. An easy bake. You can serve it just as it is. The cake is delicious. I'm going to show you. Look at that pattern on it. Stunning. Or you can drizzle a little bit of the lovely chocolate ganache on top and serve with the ganache. Either ways, it's absolutely delicious. And here is a 1 bowl chocolate almond tray bake. Easy, delicious, ready in no time. Actually, no, 50 minutes, obviously. But one that is great for picnics, to pack it for your journeys. It's really delicious. I hope you will try this recipe. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you back here with another delicious easy recipe very soon. Bye for now.